Hi, today we will design a polymer clay roller in the shape of a Christmas tree. It will be a 3D, three-dimensional Christmas tree, and we are going to use a image downloaded from Canva and then converted from SVG format to DXF format. So I used this site converter. You can see the link for this website and my description of a film of this video. But feel free to use whichever page you choose. I think this one is quite good when it comes to converting files from SVG downloaded for instance from Canva to DXF files. You need to download the DXF file. It's much better for 3D programs. We start with adding our file. I usually choose millimeters. Okay, I click done. This is our shape. When you have two lines, as you can see here, get rid of one of them. We have to have one. You can click here, just click delete. Okay, it looks like this. The Christmas tree is much more bigger than we need. We have to scale it down a little bit. What I do, I draw a line, let's say 20 millimeters. This is going to be the height of our Christmas tree. So click here on the Christmas tree, click scale, and here you are downsizing it a little bit, make it smaller, then move, close up a little bit, scale again, and move. Okay. Maybe some more scaling, more or less, and this is it. Okay, so now we can mark this line, delete it. Here's our Christmas tree. Now we are going to draw a line from a center of it. So we click line. Here is, I think, yeah, this point is just right in the middle. Okay. Make it longer. It goes throughout the whole Christmas tree. And it's too high, just trim it. And we will need just 1/2 of the Christmas tree. It's a symmetrical shape, so it will be easier to work with one side. I will just tell you in a moment why is that. We can trim the rest of it, or we can also delete it. If you see, if the file has many nodes, so the points, you have to do a lot of trimming, but it's just a few seconds. Okay, now we have our half of our Christmas tree ready. So now we have to delete this line as well. We don't need that for now. Okay. When you have the half, you need to take a line tool, draw a little bit here. It's 1.86 millimeters. Okay, I think it's okay. And we can also draw 1.8 here, 96 as well. All right. So one here, one here. And the next thing we will do from this point, let's say, let's have a line tool again and draw a line, let's say on that angle. Okay, and we go back here, maybe a little wider. Let's go somewhere like here. Okay, and also a little bit longer Yeah, for like 1.23. 1.23 is enough. Yep. Okay. All right. So this is it. Okay. And we go back here. And also what we need to do is draw a similar angle here. It's 186 and go here. For this part, you can also take a sketch line tool as well. Again, draw it. It's 170. And on the up, we had on the higher, we had this 186, but it can be 170. Let's say we draw coming here and 1.23 down. Make a better view. 1.23 millimeters here. Okay, this is it. This is our half of the roller. Now we have to draw a line from here. Let's say to this point. And then we go up from this point. Okay, and from here to this one. You can take trim unnecessary parts. You can have to click. You have to click if you want to check whether all the lines are closed. If you can't click and it's not making a shape, so you have some spots here, some lines that are not connected, you have to double check it if you have all lines connected. Okay, so now we click our shape, we click move and rotate, we click copy, and we take one copy here, we again click copy, and we have this rotate. We have to sometimes change the view a little bit to see other arrows, because we're going to use this one here. It's rotating in this direction, and we go to 180 degrees. Okay, we can deselect all. Okay, so this is our half. So when you click it, you can take move, and now you can see that this is the Christmas tree shape. It comes perfectly. But what we have to do now before we extrude it, we need to make this one and this. They are like opposite trails for our roller. They can go smoothly. We are going to make it longer. So we take our line just here. Okay, and we have this one here. Okay, and it's 1.51 millimeters. So we have to do it in this direction, but shorter, about 0.5. So let's draw a line on for like 1 millimeter. And just with line tool, please connect the stuff here. Then take trim and trim it just here. Okay, we go down here. Let's do the same thing. We take line, connect it, draw a line here. It's 1.45, so let's make and half of the centimeter shorter. So it will be 0.9 more or less. You don't have to be as much accurate here. It depends on the level of smoothness that you want when you roll with your roller. So let's try with 0.95, 0.95. Okay, I guess it's kind of good. Line tool again. Here and here. Trim those parts here. Okay, and now if you exit sketch, if you click on your object and move it, you can see it will be rolling like in one inside of another. It looks very good. So now we can move it a little bit here. Okay, these are our halves of Christmas tree. Okay, so now what we are going to do, to have a better view, we can click this one, move. Yes, and we will rotate it, maybe, okay, 90 degrees here, and the same 90 degrees in this direction. And with this one, the same. We take this one, maybe move a little bit here, and rotate it as well. Okay, so we have 19 degrees here. Okay. And for this one, and 90 degrees in this direction. Okay. Now we have standing two halves of a Christmas tree. We click here, then extrude, or just use this arrow here. Let's say we are going to have our roller in 80 millimeters long. And this one as well. But before export, this is our first half of a roller. So you can click export it to STL just here. Okay, and after you export it in items, you can just hide this body. Okay, what can you do? Then you can extrude this one in 80 millimeters as well. This is the other half. All right, and you can export the other half into STL as well. Then you have to print both of them, and the roller is ready. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it. In other videos, we are going to take a closer look at other rollers, other DIY stuff for polymer, clay, and cutters. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe for more. And thank you. See you. Bye bye.